welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm joking. So today I'm gonna be recording me doing a color, and honestly I'm gonna be freestyling this color. I really want to practice my coloring. So I'm gonna be freestyling this color on this unit, and we're gonna see how it comes out. And I don't even want to talk too much. But obviously, you know, you need to have the basics. Your gloves. I'm gonna put on a mask because these toxins in these colors be killing people. And open a window. So I have my 40 volume developer, which is so hard to see. Jesus. And I just have the gallon. 40 volume developer. You need your bowl and your brushes. I have 3 just in case. And I have 2 bowls. And I'm using B2W. It's just so bright. Focus on me. I'm gonna be using B2W. I'm also gonna be using Garnier color in dark ash blonde because I'm going for like an ashy blonde, and we're doing highlights too. Your foils. I'm gonna be using a lot of foils, so the more foils, the more highlights, and I feel like the better it's gonna look. Have my clips, and yeah, I'm gonna be using it on this. I'm gonna be doing it on this unit here. I'm gonna bring this down soon so you guys won't even see my face. And we're just gonna go ahead and go in, and like, you know, if you want to dye this unit, if you like how this comes out, just follow the steps that I'm doing. And yeah. Move the camera. So you're gonna take even bleach and even powder and even developer. I'm just gonna use the rest that I have in here. I have a couple of these. You're just gonna use your brush to mix it. Whatever you feel like you need to add, just add. If you need to add more powder, add more powder. If you need to add more developer, add more developer. And just be very careful when you're mixing it because... And honestly, I'm not gonna make too much. I'm just gonna go ahead as I need it. Because I don't like to let my bleach sit for too long. Because I feel like it just doesn't work when you let it sit for too long. So I'm just going to take a little section here. Hopefully this don't keep twisting. Okay, and then I'm gonna hold it, like I'm gonna pull it from the scalp. Like I'm gonna be holding it really tight. I'm gonna weave in and out. So 1, 3. And you're gonna separate it so it should look like this. Once you've separated, I'm gonna put the foil underneath. Hold it from this side. It should be flat. You're gonna go in with your bleach. Hopefully I'm not in my way. And then for the top, I just like brush it. And you want to make sure that you're saturating the hair. Don't leave no pieces out, my friend. Saturate the hair, put a lot. Just like that. Don't press on it afterwards. Just leave it. Put this one to this side.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby,